It's just an update on the 951. We have been having some fuel rack issues with it. I think it's stuck sort of nearly off position, so that's a further investigation. But in the meantime, I made up this the seat for the 951. I've welded in some Dexion to make the backrest fully adjustable for height. So it's been tacked onto a metal plate which is hooked onto the lugs on the fuel tank. So that's obviously going to be cleaned up and painted, but it's just tacked together. It's welded together at the moment. It's going to be cleaned up. And that should do that job. The base, I made up two metal packing pieces, so that's for the base, so that should do that job. I've already tested it on the machine, works perfectly. This is the back, and these goes over the lugs on the front frame, so that fits in nice. So I just got back now. I just done a quick job on these, just to cobble this together. But I'm using the existing bolt holes in the back of the seat, so it's 4 bolt holes to this side, to that side, so they can be fed through the Dexion sections there, so I can adjust the height on the seat. As you can see, there's original bolt holes. It's going to be cleaned up, of course, but just want to see what they look like, so that should do the job. So it's time for a cup of coffee now, I think. But it's been a bit of a busy day today. We're doing other things as well. So hopefully I can sort of resolve the fuel rack issue on the 951 and get some confirmation on the position it's supposed to be next few days. And then we maybe get a start out of it, but it's progressing slowly. So till next time.